Hello, welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're reading day 20 of the book series, The Month of Christmas, written by T.Ferries. Now, this remarkable story is all about Santa Claus, the reindeers, the elves, and all the wonderful animals and people that live in the North Pole. Now, let's see what happens. Let's get started. Day 20, Land of Sweets Day. Day 20 is full of work, preparing for Christmas Eve. The elves are working hard to have all the gifts ready for delivery. However, at night, every elf goes to see the annual performance of the Land of the Sweets. It is a second act from the famous ballet, The Nutcracker. The Nutcracker Ballet is based on a story by the German writer and composer E.T.A. Hoffmann, entitled The Nutcracker and the Mouse King. It was written in 1816. The music for the ballet was composed by Piotr Tchaikovsky in 1891. He also composed the music for the ballet Swan Lake and The Sleeping Beauty. They are classics. Now, the ballet was choreographed by Marius Petipa, and the very first performance was in 1892 in Moscow, Russia. The Pink Fairy saw that first performance and thought it was beautiful. She was so impressed with the ballerina, who was a sugar plum fairy, and she loved all the dances in the lands of sweets. The sugar plum fairy in the ballet rules the land of sweets. She came back to the North Pole and told the other fairies the entire story of the land of the sweets and danced the different parts. Fairies, as you may know, are prima ballerinas, and the fairies decided that they would create all the characters from the land of the sweets to perform. And each year, one sugar plum fairy dances the role of the sugar plum fairy who rules the land of sweets. The elves' friends from the enchanted forest come to the ballet. Tinkerbell is always there because as sisters, the sugar plum fairies put on the performance for all to enjoy. And the Christmas goblins try to sneak in, disguised as elves. The blue fairy is watching for them and chases them away. Now, after the performance, the fairies have boxes of candy for everyone who attended, and in each box are candies that danced in the ballet. There's dark chocolate, which is very healthy, and candy cane peppermints, marzipan, which is a rich, delicious almond treat that often looks like little fruit, and sugar plums, of course, are also in the box. I love the land of sweets. I hope you will too. The performance is about to begin. Wow, what a remarkable, remarkable day. Thank you so much for joining us again, boys and girls, for this wonderful story. We thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you soon.